Hello again. One of the many features that ZimbleHR is known for is its task management. And here's your guide on how to use this tool. On the right hand side of the screen, scroll down and hit on the task button, which will redirect itself to the All Tasks section. On this screen, hit on the Add New button. On the pop-up box, add the necessary details such as the assigned team member, the reporting team member, as well as the due date. You will also find a section to add the description and notes if necessary. Once completed, hit on the Post button. All added details can then be reviewed on the All Tasks tab and can also be viewed on the Upcoming section. Here's a quick view of the assigned employees dashboard on what it looks like once a task has been assigned. Upon assigning new tasks, the notification will be automatically sent to the employee. Upon choosing the notification, the portal will redirect itself to the respective task, where all the details can be reviewed on the Task tab itself. To view complete details or to update the status of the task, the employee has to simply hit on the Edit button, where the details can again be reviewed on the pop-up box. Upon scrolling down, you will notice the Status section where the employee can change the status depending on the progression of the tasks. The updates done by the allocated employee are reflected on a real-time basis and can be tracked from your account itself. To simply view the status, go back to the Tasks tab. You will notice that the status update has been done accordingly. This amazing feature on ZimbleHR portal doesn't just allow you to review your task, but also to filter out and search for the task that was previously added. For example, you can simply filter out the tasks based on the dates of your choice. Or by the list of the tasks that are assigned specifically to you, tasks that are overdue, newly added, the tasks that are due on a daily basis, the tasks that are coming up, as well as the ones that are completed. A one-stop solution to manage all the tasks across the organization. An HR solution as simple as it can get. Only with ZimbleHR.